We're in Hartville, Ohio at FE Schumacher Lumber Company. Some giant white oak timbers are coming out of it, and also some pine timbers. But the carrier timbers in this building are 19 by 19 white oaks. As you can see, the beam right in front of you, it is 19 by 19. Select grade, 500-year-old white oak. And the floor joists are 12 by 18s. Truly is amazing. We've never had that big a white oak timber before in whole Old Woods history, and we've been in business since 1997. So we have an amazing collection of those down in Magnolia, Ohio, down at our shop. And this building should be down and back to the shop within a month or two.